Baby love balls!
Hello friends. My name is Lorraine and this is Oriana, and today we're going to be reading Polar Bear, what do you hear? Be very quiet and listen. What can you hear? Let's read. Polar Bear, what do you hear? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carl. Polar Bear, what do you hear? Polar Bear, what do you hear? I hear a lion roaring in my ear. Lion, what do you hear? I hear a hippopotamus snorting in my ear. Hippopotamus, what do you hear? I hear a flamingo fluting in my ear. Flamingo, what do you hear? I hear a zebra braying in my ear. Zebra, what do you hear? I hear a boa constrictor hissing in my ear. Boa constrictor, what do you hear? I hear an elephant trumpeting in my ear. Elephant, what do you hear? I hear a leopard snarling in my ear. Leopard, what do you hear? I hear a peacock yelping in my ear. Peacock, what do you hear? I hear a walrus bellowing in my ear. Walrus, what do you hear? I hear a zookeeper whistling in my ear. Zookeeper, what do you hear? I hear children growling like a polar bear, roaring like a lion, snorting like a hippopotamus, fluting like a flamingo, braying like a zebra, hissing like a boa constrictor, trumpeting like an elephant, snarling like a leopard, yelping like a peacock, and bellowing like a walrus. That's what I hear. Did you enjoy that? We enjoyed it too. What was your favourite part? I liked when the zookeeper could hear all the children. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.